Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today it's time to stuff this money. Yes, y'all, we're gonna do some stuffing, we're gonna have a little chit chat, and we're gonna keep it moving. So let's see how much we're stuffing. Stay tuned. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. My name is Shatara, and today we're going to be stuffing this money in some envelopes. Well, today it's going to be a short video because we don't have a lot to stuff. If you saw my previous video, I said that this was an extra paycheck and we focused more on the medical bills, and we did not budget to zero, so we left a lot of money, $1,001.39 in the bank, so we moved that over to our cushion, our buffer. So with that being said, I want to continue my shout out that I did in my previous video. If you didn't watch or hear me, I'm shouting out Hands and Bands and Budgeting April. Hands and Bands is a wonderful soul, and I just love her charisma and her talents and her creativity and the creativity of Budgeting April and her games and trying to get us all linked in together. Loving it. So check out their channels. I'll have their channels linked below. They are amazing. And yeah, so let's get started. As you see, I already took out everything and laid it out. So money pouch is already out. And $100 wants to fold. Okay, we're doing cartwheels in the money pouch. Make sure nothing else is in there. Set you to a side. Everybody say, hey, Mr. Franklin. All right, so let's try count this. We have, and I usually mess this up, so bear with me. We can do it. I know we can. Let's break it up though. Start with the Mr. Franklin's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 900. And we're gonna go to Mr. Grant. 50, 1,050, 1150, 1250, 1350, 1400. Why am I trying to put it in like this? Like I'm gonna slide it in here. That don't work. So that's 1400. We're gonna move on to Mr. Jackson. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 15, 20, 40, 60, 80, 16, 20, 40, 60, 80, 17, 20, 40, 60, 80, 18, 20, 40, 60, 80, 19. So that's 1,920. 1,920 and 930. 940, 950, what did I say, 950, 955, 960, 965, 970, 975, 975, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. I know, Hazel, I know. 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4. $1,994 we have right here. Vanna White. So Miss Wallet is right here. She was already out on the table, just waiting patiently for us. Alrighty, I didn't do so well this week. I already took out my change and I already rolled it. I think right now we're almost at $50 in change. I'm not going to cash it into the end of the year, just like I'm not going to count the big ass jar until the end of the year. So with that being said, personal, nada. Groceries, nada. Gas, I actually had some. I need to get gas, but I could have used this money to put into the gas, but I didn't. I stayed my happy butt at home one full week because they were working on the room with the flood. So I was home all week, so I got to keep Mr. Franklin. So we're gonna put you right there. Eat out, nada. And then we have a couple of ones that we're gonna put in, you know, the jar. I did not get any change from my wife. If she does have anything, I'll let you guys know. Probably not today because I'm doing a batch upload. So let's go back. And we're doing our 5 20s for our personal, 20, 40, 60, 81. And $20 is set aside. We're going to fold Mr. Jackson. Is it open? Is it open, y'all? It's open. Fold Mr. Jackson. You're in there. Flip over to eat out. Fold you, Mr. Jackson. You crooked. You crooked. And then put you in your home for the time being. And then we're gonna skip back over. Sorry, had to fix that. Skip back over to groceries. Groceries is going to get $100. So yeah, if you missed my, not $100, $400. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you missed my last video or skip forward or put me on 2x and you couldn't hear me, because sometimes I do that so I can get through everybody's videos, because I have so many on my watch list and I just want to, you know, get to everybody's videos, and then, you know, I stop and do something, and then the person I just watched had uploaded again. I'm like, oh man, that's great, you're uploading, but crap, I gotta watch this one too. Not got to, but you know, I'm trying to watch everyone, get you guys the views and likes and comments and stuff. It's crazy. But anyway, I forgot what I was about to say, y'all. Laura, I forgot what I was about to say. What was I about to say? Oh my gosh, I'm really having a brain fart. I can't for the life of me remember what I was about to say, but I'm just going to keep going. So 200 goes into gas. I know what I was going to say. If you didn't catch my last video, I am going to be revamping my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that I'm at 300, and I think when the last time I looked, 14 or 13 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. Super loving that, yay. But yeah, so I'm going to be revamping my YouTube channel, so I am going to be bringing more content to you guys in a different way, and I hope that you guys like it. Before I do my YouTube channel, well, not do the YouTube channel, I'm doing it now, right? I hope you guys saw that my battery just said that it was going dead, so I don't even know where it stopped at. But anyway, I'm doing a new YouTube channel. Lord have mercy, I can't even talk. I can't talk and do this. I can't see how people, I give y'all kudos that can stuff and talk, but I'm doing revamping on my YouTube channel. I'm going to bring you guys along the journey. I'm going to tell you why I'm revamping it and what I'm going to be doing starting June 1st. So yeah, super excited about that if you didn't see that in my last video. So what I just pulled out is the 350s that's going to wife's gas and 250s that's going to her personal. I'm gonna set that to the side. Now for anything else, it's gonna be super, super fast. So watch this. All right, so what I did was I have my old little tray right here, and I just took all the ones that I'm gonna be stuffing, because it's only 4 for this stuffing. So put you back in frame. So brother is getting $100. I told him that you guys were like, kudos, Tony, congratulations, you coming up. So my brother right now has 1, 2, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, 390, 400. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. $424. You go, Tony Boo. Now I really gotta hurry up because my phone gonna die on me, y'all. All right, so I'm a little out of order, but household, which is home improvement, is going to get, where we at, 50. So we dug into this. because we were doing some landscaping and it turned out so good, y'all. That red lava rock in front of the home is really pretty. So we got to build it back up. Household or home improvement has $50, $70, $80, $95, $96 for right now. We have a lot of home improvement items that we are wanting to do, so I'm super excited about it. All right, the next quarter to pay this out is coming up, you guys. So this is HOA, which gets $63. So 3 20s and 3 1s. Right now we are at 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I say, 350? 355? I don't know. Let's count it again. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. Oh, it's 240. 1, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 255. It's crazy how I forgot that quick. Come on, go in there. We have to make it to the end. We don't want the phone to die. Car maintenance. Car maintenance gets $20. The wife is gonna, ooh, that is a wrinkled $20. We need to go iron this. The wife is gonna be going to get her oil change in Black Stallion. You know, my car is Big Beautiful Beast and hers is Black Stallion. I don't know why I want to go for some reason. Don't mind me. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 140 we have in car maintenance. And that's it, y'all. That is it. Thank you guys for making it to the end of this short stuffing, listening to me trying to figure out what to say and what not to say, and if I did say it when my phone was dying and I didn't know and I had to push the button. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you guys for watching. Please do all the things: like, share, subscribe, and comment. I shall see you in the next video where we take the rest of this money and this and put it into our savings challenges. I was gonna say sinking funds. That's this video. Savings challenges. All right. Till next time. Keep it moving. Keep it going. Keep it growing. I love you guys. Bye.